messages, 5 Jira threads, 3 client updates, and 1 exhausted professional. That's what we are in today's world. If you look at this particular Jira ticket, it's such a large ticket. Now, if I have to respond to it, I have to literally go through everything. And the problem is, I have to be really careful with what I say here, because anything I say will become formal. So if I end up saying something which become my problem towards the end, then that's not something I'm looking for. So I need to be very clear on what I'm going to say. And this is not just this particular Jira. It could be an email, Slack, Teams chat. We have to be so careful. And that's why in last few days, ever since ChatGPT came, I would a lot of time copy these items from Jira or email, and then I will put that in ChatGPT and I will ask it to give me a response or summarize or explain to me in simple words. But then I'm just juggling between different tabs, screens. That also becomes a kind of pain. That's not convenient, isn't it? And that's why a lot of time I won't even do that. I might just say, okay, let's go ahead and put some response here. But overall, it takes a toll on our cognition. By the end of the day, or rather towards the end of the day, we are already exhausted just by so many messages, Jira tickets, threads, etc. And this is where this Chrome extension really helps me. So if you look at this particular Chrome extension, you can just select any text anywhere in your Chrome browser and then just say ask ProdMoh. And then I can use any prompt which are here, or I can enter anything here if I want. This is a lifesaver when I'm working on Slack or Teams or Jira, because I can just select it and I can say draft response. If I'm learning something, I can simply say simplify or expand. If I have any counter questions, follow up, I can use the chatbot. But since this is a Chrome extension, I don't have to switch any tabs. I don't have to copy paste anything. It is so user friendly. So I've been using it for some time now, and this has really helped me a lot. Why don't you check this out? I have left the link in the description. Try it yourself and let me know what you think about it. Thank you.